It by the Arctic Monkeys. I'm going to show you how to play this with easy open chords with a capo at the 1st fret. I'm then going to do a full play along with the capo still at 1st fret, and then I'm going to show you how Alex Turner plays this on acoustic guitar with bar chords throughout. Both versions are really cool. Capo 1st fret makes it more beginner friendly. Let me know any other song requests in the comments below, and if you like this idea of playing along to full songs, check out the jam tracks and song tutorials in my beginner's course available at andyguitar.co.uk. I will link to that at the top of the description and in the comments below. Let's have a look at these chords first of all. So capo 1st fret, and the first chord we have is an E minor, 2nd chord A minor, we have a B minor, and that takes us through the verse, just those 3 chords. We then have a C major chord, E minor, and G. For the chorus, the only other chord in this song would be a G over F sharp, just for the little snap out of it, just for that little rundown. We have an optional riff in this song which sounds so cool on acoustic or electric guitar. And then we have a similar pattern on the A minor. So this is playing an E minor and then moving the 4th string from the 2nd fret to the 1st fret. I like to do that by playing, I often like to play an E minor chord with my middle 2 fingers, so we can do a rock hand like this, because that's cool. But then we put the 1st finger just here. And this is just strumming on the beat. But then we want to add this slight palm mute where we do this. I'm also relaxing my fingers on the strings, and that gives it this signature. And then we have an up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the A minor, that's A minor. 3rd finger lifts off, 1st finger flattens off to play the 1st fret of string 2 and 3. 3rd finger or middle finger still down. And then we go to a normal A minor 7 with 0 or open string at the 3rd string, and then it comes back on itself. So we do this. If you can't do it with the 1st finger down, just don't strum string 2. As long as you don't strum past string 3, you can strum 5, 4, and 3. And that's much easier. We then have a B minor chord and keep that pattern going in the chorus. I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. Down, down, down. And that's, you can hear that muting happening. There's a sweet spot just here with the outside of the palm of your hand, palm muting. And that happens until the final time when we go B7, snap, A minor, G, G over F sharp, back to the verse. Let's have a super slow playthrough of that, and then we'll play the full song up to speed. So from the top we just have 2, 3, 4. And verse 1. What's been happening in your world? What have you been up to? I heard that you fell in love, or near enough. I I gotta tell you the truth. B7. I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. I get the feeling I've left it too late, baby, snap out of it. If that watch don't continue to swing, or the fat lady fancies having a sing, I'll be here waiting ever so patiently. Here we go with the... I hit that with my thumb there out of instinct, but you can do it with your first finger. We just need a G over F sharp and then back to... Let me show a full playthrough of that now with the capo, and then I will show the chords how Alex Turner plays it, which without capo, and that would be at an intermediate level. What's been happening in your world? What have you been up to? I heard that you fell in love, or near enough. I gotta tell you the truth. I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. I got the feeling I've left it too late, but baby, snap out of it. That watch don't continue to swing, or the fat lady fancies having a sing, I'll be here waiting ever so patiently for you to snap out of it. Forever isn't far, everyone. Here's forever for you. It sounds like settling down or giving up, but it don't sound much like you, girl. I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. I got the feeling I've left it too late, but baby, snap out of it. If that watch don't continue to swing, or the fat lady fancies having a sing, I'll be here waiting ever so patiently for you to snap out of it. Under a spell you're hypnotized. Darling, how could you be so blind? I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. I get the feeling I've left it too late, but baby, snap out of it. If that watch don't continue to swing, or the fat lady fancies having a sing, I'll be here waiting ever so patiently for you to snap out of it. Alright, hope you enjoyed that, and that was something that you can jam along with. If you need more help with playing along to stuff like that and full songs, check out the Andy Guitar Beginners course. That's the #1 thing I would send you to. But let's have a look at how Alex Turner plays this now. So in his radio sessions, when he's doing acoustic versions, he's playing it like this. This is an F chord. I'm moving that middle finger down. You can see how my first finger's just acting as a capo there. And then we have this A minor, and then the middle finger comes up, and we'll play it like that. C chord. So Alex likes to really play his bar chords like this when it's a root 5. With root 6 chords, you'll often play it with the thumb over the top like this. So that's something to have a play around with. But in that chorus, C sharp, F sharp to G, or you could play F sharp minor to G like this. So that verse is a playthrough how Alex Turner plays it. What's been happening in your world? What have you been up to? I heard that you fell in love, or near enough. I gotta tell you the truth. I wanna grab both your shoulders and shake, baby, snap out of it. I got the feeling I left it too late, but baby, snap out of it. If that watch don't continue to swing, or the fat lady fancies having a sing, I'll be here waiting ever so patiently for you to snap out of it. So that was from the C sharp to C, B flat minor, A flat, which is the key of the song, G minor, and F minor. Hopefully you've enjoyed that one, and that's something you can do. Let me know your song requests in the comments below, and I'll leave a link to the Andy Guitar Beginners course on screen now, which would be my recommendation for you to look at after here. Hope to see you there, guys. Bye-bye for now.